guys, what's up? I'm Aaron.
And I'm Andrew.
And we are Aaron Productions. And today we're going to be telling you guys about this new selling platform that we really love. We've been buying and selling stuff on it a lot lately, and we're really excited to share it with you guys. But first we have to go to the post office and mail a couple things. So let's get going. So now for the reason that we even created this video, to tell you guys about this app and this selling platform called Mercari. Mercari is like a revolutionary app for buying and selling all sorts of different items on that app. It's kind of like a mixture between Craigslist, OfferUp, LetGo, and eBay. Because of the fact that on OfferUp, LetGo, and Craigslist you make offers on items and then purchase them, but on eBay, the seller ships the item to you. So this isn't like local meetings. So the neat thing about it is, like, maybe you're a younger kid or somebody who really doesn't leave their house and doesn't want to meet people. You can buy and sell things on this app, make money through this app, and you don't even ever have to leave your home. The items are shipped to your door, and then you ship them right back out to other people.
Yeah, and it's really awesome how you can make offers with people too. You can make an offer for them. It's not like the other Amazon stuff where it's more strict. It's a lot of more just regular sellers, just regular people that's trying to sell their stuff, and it's a lot of used stuff, so that's pretty cool too, and the prices are really fair.
So the really neat thing about it was I listed something, and within an hour it was completely sold. Like, that doesn't happen on any other selling platform. Like, I was able to list that item, and boom, within 1 hour of listing it, it was sold. I had like 8 or 9 people respond about it, and it sold that fast, which is insane for a selling platform, because it doesn't happen on eBay or LetGo and OfferUp that often. It might, but not that often.
Yeah, and there's nothing wrong with eBay, LetGo, or OfferUp. It's just this is a different platform, what might suit other people's needs that the other ones don't.
A couple more things that we've sold on Mercari. For example number 1, I sold an iPad 4th generation, and within a day it had sold, which again is an insane rate of return to sell a phone that quick. That's a pretty awesome platform when you're able to sell an iPad or something like that within a day, guys. 1 day. So that's pretty cool. I was really excited when that sold. And the thing is, you can scroll through them. There's all sorts of stuff selling. I mean, old tapes and old, people are selling clothes on Mercari. It's an awesome app and an awesome platform that you can really use to leverage sales on all sorts of different items.
And you guys may not be like, okay, this sounds like an awesome listing site, but what's the catch? Like, what is it that makes it so great? Right. But basically all it is whatever you sell on your profits, you give them 10% of whatever the item is. So say I'm listing a phone for $300. They'd get $30 out of that, and then you either select that you want the buyer to pay shipping or you want to pay shipping and do it as free. So that's pretty much all it is 10% out of what you make. And that's what Mercari takes, and then the rest you get to take. And you actually probably can get more off on Mercari than you can on like Craigslist, LetGo, or OfferUp, because there's more people looking at it.
So that's pretty much everything that you should know about selling on Mercari. You can also purchase things on Mercari. Like, for instance, I bought a DJI Phantom 3 Standard for $245, which is insane. They're $400 new. How did I get that? You negotiate with people on Mercari. He was asking $380. I got him down to $245. It's kind of insane, I know, but I'm not lying. Like, it actually happened. And that's the really neat thing about this platform is you can negotiate with people, you can buy, you can sell things, and it's just really an overall fun platform to use.
Yeah, and we're also not sponsored by Mercari whatsoever. We're just making this video because we think it's a very neat selling platform.
So guys, right now we're going to show you guys how to list something and show you exactly how simple it is to list something on Mercari. So I'm going to do a screen recording real quick, and we're going to put that up on the screen. Okay guys, so we're going to walk you through the process of how to list something on Mercari. So it's actually extremely simple. You go down to the bottom of the screen when you're in the Mercari app and you click sell, and you snap a picture of the item, so make sure that that picture is good. So snap a picture of the item, click sell again, once it loads, loading. Okay, photo was uploaded, congratulations. And then you're going to basically, if you want to add more photos, then you add a couple more photos. So like make sure you're clear on your description, because you don't want your seller or your buyer to be mad about the item when they get it if it isn't as described. So be clear about your photos, clear about your description. We're going to use that photo. So then you create a title for it, and for this one the title is going to be Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Samsung Galaxy Note 8. And we're just going to describe it as Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Note 8. So once you get your description down, then put like the condition. So I'm going to say great condition, no scratches. Boom. Add a tag. So my tags are going to be, this can be whatever you want it to be, but I'm going to put Samsung Galaxy Note category. So this is going to be a cell phone, so we're going to put it in cell phones and smartphones. Condition, we're going to put good, because it's in really good condition, probably more like new, but I don't want the seller to be mad if for some odd reason they find a little flaw. Examine to check, okay, got it. So then you're going to type in your zip code, so whatever you want your zip code to be. For us, it's going to be 68901. Prepaid label is what I'm going to do. It's just easier because they'll email it to you and you just print it off, put it on the package, and send it out to them. And I'm going to have the buyer pay for the shipping. So this is going to be, let me see, less than £1. Buyer pays for shipping, and it's $4 because we're going to do United States Postal Service. And then you just set a price. So I'm going to set the price for $6.50. And you literally click list. Now I'm not going to list this because I got to change a couple things to the listing, so I'm not going to list it right now, and I'm not for sure that we're selling this yet. But if we were to sell it, that's all you do. You click list, it lists the item, and you're good to go. It's really that simple. So it's really easy to list on, and like I said, you guys really need to check it out because it's just an awesome platform to use, honestly.
Yeah, so I just like a Mercari a lot, and actually the phone that he just showed I'm actually going to be selling. I bought this phone for $225. It's a Note 8, and I'm going to try and sell it for like $650. So after like the 10%, make like $585 or something like that. Might end up letting it go for $600. We'll have to see. So I'm making a profit on this. You can also do that on there too. It's a great site for that too.
Definitely. So here in the next few weeks we're going to be making a lot more videos about things that we're buying and selling, because we honestly have been doing a lot of that lately. So stay tuned for those videos. If you guys haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our new future videos. And yeah, also we are on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Instagram and Twitter at AaronAndrew_YT. And you can check us out at Facebook. All the links are in the description down below, so be sure to check us out there too.
Yeah, and if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys share this with your friends. It really helps us out a lot.
So thanks for watching this video. As always, this is Aaron Productions signing off. See you guys in the next one.